Unraveling the phrase, old guard. Hello learners! Today, we are diving deep into the English language to understand the phrase, old guard. By the end of this video, you will know its origins, meanings, and how to use it in conversations. Old Guard, originally referred to a specific elite unit of Napoleon Bonaparte's Imperial Guard, which was a part of the French army in the early 19th century. These soldiers were highly experienced, loyal, and were considered the best of the best. They were often older than the typical soldier, hence the term, old. In today's English, Old Guard has a broader meaning. It's used to describe any group that holds traditional values or methods within a larger organization or community. This group is usually resistant to change, preferring the established ways. For instance, in a company that's been around for decades, the old guard might be those employees who've been with the company since its early days. They often hold on to the traditional methods of doing things, even if newer methods might be more efficient. Let's look at how you can use this phrase in your conversations. 1. The old guard in our town doesn't want to adopt new technologies. 2. She's part of the old guard, so she prefers handwritten notes over emails. 3. The company's old guard believes in the principles the founder set. Remember, when you use old guard, it usually has a slight connotation of resistance to change. It's always great to know alternative words or phrases. Some synonyms for old guard include establishment, diehards, traditionalists, veterans. Thank you for joining us today in exploring the phrase, old guard. We hope this video has provided clarity on its history, meaning, and usage. Keep practicing and integrating these phrases into your conversations to enrich your English language skills. Until next time, happy learning!